First of all, we shall see a C program to find the sum of n numbers using loop. Okay, fine. So let me have that label here. So C program to find the sum of n number using loop. Fine. Alt F new source file. So here first of all I need to include my header files. So here I'm trying to include, first of all let me include standard io.h. I want to work with the printf and scanf. So for that purpose I need stdio.h header file. Then if you want to clear the screens, so I'm using canonical input outputs. So conio.h canonical input outputs to work with the clear screen, So int main, my program execution starts from main function, so that's what main. And return type, I want to stop my program normally, so return 0. And here 0 indicates is of type integer, so that's what here I mentioned int. And here I use the canonical input output. So let me go for clearing the screen first of all. So I can use clear screen, okay, for clearing the screen. Fine guys, so otherwise either you use or don't use, no matter. Fine. Then I need to work, first of all let me ask to the user. So let me write here command line C program to find the sum of n numbers using loop. So printf, so here what should I do? I will ask to the user how many numbers you want to enter. How many numbers? Enter the number count, or you can call how many numbers you want to enter. How many numbers you want to enter and add, and to perform addition or to perform sum. So here I give the message to the users. So I want to forward my cursor to the new line, so that's what new line. Okay, fine. And after that I need scanf. So user will enter. For the purpose I need to take the variable. So here I took integer variable n. So let me, whatever the value has been entered by the users, so let me hold into variable called n. So to read that value I have to use a function called scanf. So here is my scanf. So the entered value is of type numbers, so I have to use a format specifier %d. And here let me hold that variable into the address of n variable. Okay guys, so this is the count. Now I will ask to the user, please enter the number. So printf, so I have to show the message to the user, enter the number. Okay, so enter the number, so /n. So user will enter the number. What should I do? I need to read. To read means I need a variable. So what should I do? Let me create one more variable whose name is number, num. So what should I do? I need to read that entered value. So that entered value is of type number, so that's what I'm using format specifier %d. And here ampersand number. Okay, ampersand number. But what is my intention? Suppose user enters here 10 numbers, enter the count is 10. So I need to iterate these statements 10 times. I need to repeat these statements 10 times, right? To overcome that problem, so I need to use loop. Either you can use while loop or you can use for loop. But to do while loop may create the problem. Suppose if user enters the count as 0, then no need to go for this. So that's what I'm using. You can use either for, or you can use either as a while. So let me go for I need a variable called sum. Okay, sum. Let me take one variable whose name is sum. Initially sum is 0. So I want to perform by using for loop. You can use for loop or you can use while loop also. So for I need a variable. So here is I. So let me create one variable called I. So here is I variable. So let me initialize I from 0, or you can go from I from 1 also. So I must be less than the count. So enter the number of count is held by the variable called n. So I will go for less than or equal to n. And here let me increase my I by each time. Okay, so here let me show you, enter first number. So here let me show you for %d, and let me type here my count is I. Okay, fine. So enter the number, enter the first number, enter the second number, enter the third number. Suppose if I enter 10 numbers, if I enter 10 counts, so I have to repeat these statements for 10 times. So for that sake, what I did here, I give the message, enter the first number, enter the second number, enter the third number, like this. Okay, fine. So and here what are the value has been read, that value I am trying to hold into num. So what should I do? Let me perform addition now. Let me perform sum. So sum is available in sum. So sum plus my entered number. Initially sum is 0 plus entered number. So this is the count, and finally I want to show the output. So here is output my printf. So I can show here /n sum of all numbers, or addition of all numbers is. So here let me use let me use a modifier format, format of that number, that is %d, and here I can use let me show here sum semicolon. So here is semicolon. So control S. Let me save into day 3. Let me create a folder called here, the folder day 3, and under this let me create the program called 1, whose name is sum of numbers, and create the file C save. Let me compile by using control F9. So status compiled, control F10. So you can see here, guys, let me increase the font. So here is my font. So is it visible? Properties, again let me increase the font. Okay, this is visible. Yes. So enter the number of count, how many numbers you want to enter. Suppose I want to enter 5 numbers. So enter the first number, I enter 22. Enter the second number, I enter 33. Enter the third number, I enter 44. Enter the fourth number, I enter 55. Enter the fifth number, I enter 66. Okay, means I forget to hold for cursor, so I forget right here get ch. So get ch, control F9. I modified the source code, so I need to recompile once again. So control F10. I want to enter 4 numbers. So here I enter 99, 88, 77, and last number is 66. So you can see here, so all 4 numbers sum is, so addition of all numbers is 330. So in this way you can able to try. If I run one more time, control F10, I want to enter 10 numbers. Okay, so suppose if I am adding 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, then 80, then 90, then 100. So addition of all numbers is 550. Same program we can implement by using array also, but when the topic array comes, at that time we'll repeat this logic by using array program. Okay guys, fine. So this is the program about addition of all the numbers, or sum of all the numbers. So let me have the backup here for your reference. Okay guys, fine.